Hey everybody, this is Melissa Esquivel. Thanks for visiting me on Excel on the Fly. Here's a common data set you might see in Excel. Cities, states, and zips all mashed together as one string. But let's say you need a zip or state sort. There are two easy ways to break apart this data quickly and automatically. First, text to columns. No matter what version of Excel you're running and on what platform, this method works. First, select the column of data. Then, on the Data tab, in the Data Tools group, click the Text to Columns button. In our case, the data is separated by delimiters, the comma between the city and state, and the space between the state and zip. Let's scroll down in the preview and see what we have. Looks good until we get to Beverly Hills. Here's a hint. Every time Excel offers you a preview, do it. It's usually offered to you because Excel might be about to mess up your data. Let's go back. In this case, we're going to choose the comma first, and then we'll hit Finish. And then let's repeat the process, but highlighting our new column of state and zip, and doing the delimiter of space. Now all we have to do is get rid of that blank column and voila, mission accomplished. Next, Flash Fill. Now this works if you're using Excel version 2013 or higher. Now Flash Fill figures out what you're trying to do and does it for you. So for example, we're going to type the whole first city name here and then just the first and second letter of the next one. Now when you see this list pop up, just press either Tab or Enter. Even the multi-word ones are complete. Now we type in the two-letter state code of the first one here and the first letter of the next one, as long as it doesn't begin with the same letter. And we'll hit Enter. Same for the zip, but in this case, since we have 5 and 9-digit zips, we have to type in the first two, then the first character of the third to get it to understand the pattern. Pretty cool, huh? Now, how many Excel geeks does it take to break up data? Depends on how many you ask. For my more advanced viewers, here are formulas that accomplish this that might work well for templates and macros. These employ the right, left, and mid functions along with find and length. These are in the workbook available for download from this link. Thanks for visiting me at Excel on the Fly. Have a great day, everybody.